Hey guys, it's been a while since I played Binerdle, and I've never played mini Binerdle. So let's try it out. Let's do, we could do 15 minus 6 equals 9. It's weird with only 6 spaces, so we'll hit enter. So that was pretty good on the first one, and the second one, we almost solved it. We might actually solve the second one before the first one. I'm still going to go after the first one first, though. So it's not a subtract, so I'm thinking it's going to be a divide, and this will still be 5. This will still be equal. So I'm thinking maybe, should I do 25 divided by 5? I'll do 35 divided by 7 equals 5. Let's try that. All right, we're getting closer. It is 35. That's interesting. Oh, these two just swap. So it'd be 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Got that one done. And the bottom one here, we already have some of the clues. The 1 is right there, a minus right there, and an equals 7. And we know 6 and 9 are both going to be used. Well, it has to be 16 minus 9. And there we go. We did it. We won. So I've played the full version of Binerdle a couple times before. I feel like it was harder than this. I think the 6 spaces really limits what kind of equations you can do. You almost need 7 or 5 to make it a little more difficult. So that was mini Binerdle. You guys should try it out. Let me know what you think. How exciting.